Part of the supply chain management challenge is to produce cost savings wherever possible and the adoption of lean thinking techniques based on continual improvement. In most cases, the cost of inventory is rising, tying up valuable cash. This is especially true for industries such as healthcare and manufacturing companies, where inventory costs are already high and specialty items can be extremely costly to acquire and manage. The cost of managing this type of stock, be it consignment stock or non-bill of material items, can be high in terms of lot code tracking and expiration date monitoring. These businesses are constantly seeking ways to reduce waste, increase efficiency, and improve the supply chain management process. The challenge is to avoid running out of stock. The tendency is to keep inventory levels unnecessarily high, which is wasteful, or alternatively too low, which can lead to stockouts. Consignment stock is owned by the supplier, but located at the customer's facility. Therefore, it can be difficult to manage. The stock is not on the customer's ERP system, as it does not belong to them. It is effectively not on the supplier's either, as it is located externally at the customer's location. Incorporating the lean thinking model, there are two major advantages to consignment stock and computerized vendor managed inventory, where the vendor provides the inventory on consignment and also manages it on behalf of the customer. This results in major cost reduction for the customer, freeing up large amounts of cash, and it reduces the cost of stock management, which is now the vendor's responsibility. The vendor can also win more business as there is a closer relationship with the customer. The Genesis solution resolves these problems by controlling the use of inventory items and monitoring levels in real time. The client and vendor set minimum levels for each item, and the vendor gets real-time reports to allow them to monitor stock levels. Genesis uses access control to link transactions to the operator. It captures this data and provides it in a user-friendly format to the customer and the vendor. It automatically alerts the supplier and the customer by email and text message when items need to be restocked, preventing costly stockouts. How does Genesis work? Inventory is held in a Genesis-controlled secure location that is unlocked via a key fob or the client's existing ID card. The operator scans required items with the barcode scanner and enters the quantity on a touchscreen PC. Genesis then uploads encrypted relevant information on the item taken in real time to Genesis secure servers. Incorporating easy-to-read dashboard reports, Genesis is designed to complement and work with existing ERP systems such as Oracle and SAP by controlling non-bill of material items. Web-based dashboard reports can be accessed via the Genesis website with a username and password. From there, all Genesis locations can be managed either locally or worldwide. When storing items in a Genesis-controlled area, these items can be kept in any location, such as storage carts, larger areas with access control, and white systems carousels. As a cloud computing and SaaS solution, Genesis is easy to install as data can be sent from the cloud directly to each Genesis location. Overall, the benefits of using Genesis include cost saving by reducing stock held on site and reduction of working capital, cost saving by reducing waste by up to 30%, reduction in excess stock, and the elimination of expiry date and lot tracking issues. Genesis will allow you to gain a strategic insight into the performance of your inventory whilst driving down costs, thereby increasing productivity for you and your supplier.